This video covers your plug-and-play service introduction, activation, and where to get support. Plug-and-play services are designed for you to self-activate when you are ready, to get you up and running quickly. The Global Customer Support Team is positioned to support you with your new plug-and-play services. If you experience any issues while activating your new service, our Global Customer Support Team is here to help. We support you with order information, connections to our network routing details, network diagnostic testing, and utilization. For assistance, go to lumen.com and use our Click to Chat. For support with your existing services, our Service Assurance Team works to manage and execute repairs quickly. You can use Lumen Control Center, which is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account. Its benefits include account maintenance, such as creating and managing tickets, running network diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders, in addition to several billing features such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online. Whether you are activating your new service with the Global Customer Support Team, or you need our Service Assurance Team to assist you with an existing service, we are here to support you. Congratulations on your new plug-and-play service, which delivers new capabilities for your business. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.